Hey everybody, so this is my video. I know it's a little late to unbox it. Well, well, as you can tell, I'm doing an unboxing. But the Beyblade did come out. It's actually from Metal Fusion, so it's really old. But anyways, Flame Libra. It's the Bey that I got. It's Stamina. You can see WBBA on there. There's the whole Bey. Metal Fusion. See if that's Flame Libra right there. Turn it over to the back. Again, it says Stamina. It says a bunch of different languages. Here's each part. And then U again. So, let's start unboxing. Okay. Okay. Let's get this stuff out first. Okay. So, I'll start with the launcher. Green light launcher. Pretty basic. New ripcord. Instructions, don't need to go really tell what that is. Look just front of the box, it says Libra. Packaging. Okay. The stickers, not that many. I don't put stickers on the base besides the Facebook. There's the Facebook. Just says Libra on it. It represents scales. Then we go to the tool. It's a basic tool. Here's the card itself. Give away the code. Okay. We'll start with the bag. Let's take it apart. Okay. So first you get the faceplate. Since it is Metal Fusion, it's got the weird little casing around it. It's yellow. It's not tattooed on, it just shows where you can put the stickers. This is the Libra piece. Pretty basic. Green. They made a recoloring one of it. It's called Dark Libra, which is all white. What's this piece called? Oh, that was just Flame, what you've seen. This is T125, which is a Tornado 125. I hate when people say gimmicks, but you could consider this a gimmick track. And this is a performance tip ES, which is a free rotating performance tip. Yeah, it's an internal truck, right? Or they call it internal spike, whatever. Same thing. So, let me just take this crap off. Sorry about this. So it's gonna be so boring while I get this dumb, stupid case off of it. So, like I said before, I don't put the other stickers on. I don't want to take my time to. There's only one that I did. Rock Aries. You know, this looks better with it on. Sorry about the long wait. It's gonna take forever to get this piece of crap off. There we go. This is how far we've got it off so far. There, just one more little snip. So there's the face bolt. I'll go over it more now. Just a regular yellow, like the performance tip and spin track. Okay, so now that we got that dumb stupid thing off. Oh, let me find this spot, please. Okay. I'm gonna put the face bolt sticker on there. Here we go. Perfect. There we go. Okay, now let's build this bay. You know, I really wanted this bay. I just haven't been able to get it. Since I'm doing a research on constellations, school, I got it because Libra is one of the 12 zodiac signs. Good. Let's use the both of them. And that's still in Libra. Really good bay. So expect some new battles with it.